Hey, it's Todd Gross, and something that I did not think was possible has been achieved, and I've actually been part of it, ironically, because it very well may replace me as a spokesperson on videos. In fact, I have already been replaced in this very video, the one that you are watching right now. Can you believe this?
Todd, sorry to interrupt. I understand why you are concerned. My name is Maria. I am a real human, with a synthetic human voice. I am able to say exactly what you want me to say, because I am powered by a revolutionary text-to-speech software. My actions are totally humanistic, my facial expressions are as lifelike as it gets, and my voice, well, you can hear just how great I sound. They call me a Humatar. I guess like an avatar, but I am not an animation nor a cartoon. I am a real human. I can also speak over 40 languages. Take a look.
Dies ist eine Demo der Stimme, die Sie ausgewählt haben. Stellen Sie sicher, dass Sie auf die Playscript-Schaltfläche unter dem Skriptfeld klicken, bevor Sie Ihr Video generieren.
이제 한국어를 할 수 있습니다. 내 목소리를 한국어로 좋아하니?
Hola a todos. Soy un chico de Turquía y estoy buscando una página para practicar español. Me parece que la he encontrado aquí. Quise escribir un poco antes de leer. Saludos.
Welcome to Human Synthesis Studio. It's the incredible software that my team has put together where you could select from real humans, real voices, and have them say exactly what you want them to say just by typing it. The result is unmatched. Human quality in your videos. With Human Synthesis Studio, you could actually finally make the personal connection that your audience is craving. It's actually been done now. Now, of course, we all know that this means better engagement, which means better conversions, and which we all know leads to tangible growth for you and or your clients. Now, I personally do tons and tons of video work as a spokesperson for different products and brands across the internet. You've probably seen me on other videos. I get hired to do that work because the interaction that I'm having with you right now is what is the most engaging. I can pull you in. It's what actually works. The problem is it's extremely expensive to hire a professional like myself. I charge up to $250 per minute for some of my clients, and most other professionals charge even more. Now, if hiring a professional doesn't fit in the budget that you have, you're left with jumping on camera yourself or using something absolutely terrible, which is total pain if you're not experienced, of course, or you're left using an animation such as an avatar, which is budget-friendly but still no comparison to an actual human delivering your message in your videos. Now, Human Synthesis Studio is the fix for it all. By combining actual human beings with advanced text-to-speech and lip-syncing software with their voices, you can now have real people saying exactly what you want in your videos at avatar prices. And this opens up doors to enormous opportunities, not only for your own videos, but for your clients' videos as well. And the software is an absolute breeze to use. No technical skills required, no real learning curve to overcome, a little bit of tweaking here and there with the voices. You'll be creating your first Humatars literally within minutes of your purchase. Today, just watch.
Select the human actor you want in your video. Input the text you want to say. Select the voice you want to use. Add a background, video, or color. Move the position of the actor around. Add in music, if you want. Render the video and voila. Your Humatar is ready to go.
Now that's just way too easy. It takes me at least a half a day to record, edit, and produce even the smallest of projects. I personally charge starting $250 or $300 per minute for an average on-camera video that I record, just because it's time-intensive, extremely tedious work. And that's the going rate for most professionals available for hire. Now, Human Synthesis Studio changes everything. Now everyone will be able to have actual people, real humans, featured in their videos with just a few clicks and in a matter of minutes, saying exactly the words that they want. Just imagine offering this service to others looking for professional spokespeople for their videos. You'll be able to demand top dollar, really top dollar, because remember, these are actual real humans saying what you want them to say. None of this was even possible until now, until Human Synthesis Studio. This actually is a breakthrough worldwide. Look, there's just no way to put this into words, really. This is just such an exciting time for you because you'll be the first to showcase your own videos with Humatars. Those are the human beings that are doing the talking. And you will be the first to offer these technologically advanced videos to your clients. Now keep in mind that these so-called Humatars, as we call them, can be used in any kind of video to engage audiences, boost conversions, and ultimately business. Ad videos, commercials, sales videos, explainer videos, educational videos, training and tutorial videos, demo videos, and so much more, all possible with Humatars speaking the words that you need them to say just by you typing them out. They also open up the doors for you to offer even more services, such as copywriting, including the scripts that the Humatars speak. You can also offer advanced video editing services and create video masterpieces for your clients. Opportunities here abound like crazy. Yep, you can do all this because we're including, you guessed it, a commercial license. Yeah, we're including it. It allows you to sell these videos that will amaze your clients. The days of hiring someone to act as a spokesperson in your videos are over unless you have an enormous budget. The days of wishing you could have a real human to deliver your message in your videos, well, you don't have to wish anymore. Those days are here. Human Synthesis Studio has forever changed the video industry. Now everyone who wants a real human in their videos saying exactly what they want them to say can have it. This is the type of technology you want to own. Every video can benefit by having an actual human speaking. Face it, it's just freaking incredible. There's nothing that works better for video engagement than a real person delivering your message and connecting with your audience, just like I'm doing right in this very video. But now you could do it just by typing.
There are two options to choose from with Human Synthesis Studio. The commercial is the option with the most value. You get more Humatars, real human voices to use with the Humatars, additional languages, and most importantly the commercial license, so you can sell your Humatar services and create Humatars for other business for profit. And make sure you check out the extremely valuable bonuses that are included only with the commercial version. The personal license is best if you're wanting to use Human Synthesis Studio for your own videos. You can see the details for each option further below on this page.
Human Synthesis Studio is game-changing, groundbreaking, revolutionary, cutting-edge, every hyped-up adjective you can think of. Yeah, it's the first in the world, the first in the universe to have anything like this. This software falls into that category. I say that with absolute confidence because in my 2 decades of being involved with video products, creating videos, and being a professional spokesperson in video, and my dozens of years as a spokesperson on television and a weather forecaster, I've never seen anything that's anywhere close to this. I mean, real humans with human synthetic voices. It's really their voices that are turned into the text-to-speech, and they say anything you want. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's not. It's real. It's now. It's at your fingertips this very second, literally just minutes from now. You could have a Humatar working for you in your videos. You could be selling your Humatar services to other businesses. And as I said at the beginning, I am a bit hesitant because this is the type of technology that could literally put me out of business eventually. Human Synthesis Studio opens up the doors to everyone to have real people talking in their videos today. Don't wait, because this is a very special limited time launch offer that cannot be offered for long. This is the lowest price you'll ever be able to get this at moving forward. Get Human Synthesis Studio right now and be amazed. Like me and my entire team and all our beta testers are still to this day shocked that we actually pulled this off.